Hello and welcome back to the Ukulele Major Scales course, where we are learning all of the major scales for our ukulele, one scale, one video at a time. Today we will be playing the G flat major scale, which has 6 flats, so we are almost done with all of the scales that have flat notes. This scale starts on fret 6, and any notes that you have on fret 6 will be played with the index. Notes on fret 7 will be played with the middle finger. Notes on fret 8 will be played with the ring finger, and notes on fret 9 will be played with the pinky. Let's go to our first note, which is on fret 6 of string C. Go ahead and give me that G flat. Again, ready, go. One more time. Good. Let's go to A flat with our ring finger. Go ahead and play it again, or play it a few times. And make sure that your fingers are nice and curved. You can check this way. Make sure you have a house for a mouse right here, and then a mouse fits. Okay, let's go to our next note, which is B flat on the next string over. Okay, good. Next note is C flat. And let's add just one more note. We're going to add D flat. Okay, go ahead and review those first 5 notes. So if we go back to the beginning, it's fret 6, then fret 8, then fret 6 on the next string, 7, and 9. But I actually prefer to memorize the finger pattern, because then you can play all of the scales. All right, let's do this. Let's play each note in whole notes, meaning that you'll let it ring for 4 beats before you play the next note. Here we go. 1, 2, G flat, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, A flat, 2, 3, breathe, B flat, 2, 3, C flat, and our last note for now, D flat. Very nice. So now we're ready to learn the last 3 notes of this scale, which are E flat on the 6th fret, F on the 8th fret, and then we're ending on that G flat on the 9th fret. So if you notice, F is the last note remaining that doesn't have a flat symbol next to it. So that's why the next scale is going to be our last one. So let's do these last 3 notes in whole note, starting from the E flat. 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, ready, F. Last note, G flat, ready, go. Perfect. So go ahead and take like 20 seconds to review the whole scale. And while you're doing that, I'll tell you about the ukulele that I'm playing, which is the Ohana CK-60CG. And it has this beautiful embellishment here on the sound hole, but it has a cutaway, which is perfect because I need to reach some of the higher notes for some of these scales. So having a cutaway is just handy for doing that. Alrighty, let's play the whole scale. Get ready on fret 6. Relax the hands, relax the shoulders, take a breath. You're doing great. Here we go. 1, 2, G flat, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, A flat, 2, 3, B flat, 2, 3, C flat, 2, 3, D flat, 2, 3, E flat, 2, 3, F note. Finish on G flat, ready, go. Hold that note, hold that spot. If you've been doing the course, you know what I'm going to ask you to do. Go ahead and use your index finger to bar the entire 6th fret. The pinky should still be on the 9th fret where you played that last note. And if you practice this, you can play a G flat major chord. Since this is the G flat major scale, it's nice to end with that G flat. And if yours sounds more like this, like you don't have ringing notes, that's a perfect place to start. And you can just start training your finger the position. And then as you get more comfortable, you can add some push behind it, meaning some squeeze, and get more ringing notes. So this is something to practice for later. So we're going to do the scale just one more time because I would love for you to focus on the alternating fingers. If you were already doing that, then perfect. If you weren't, then make sure you're doing index, middle, index, middle. And I've added I am on the tab to help guide you. Here we go. One last time, a little faster. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, next. 2, 3, B flat. 2, 3, C flat. 2, 3, D flat. 2, 3, E flat. 2, 3, F natural. And G flat, ready, go. Play the chord now, ready, go. Now we're going to review because review increases retention, meaning you remember more if we review. But first, I would like to thank the Patreon community for their support. Because of you Patreon members, I'm able to do this full time. So thank you so much. I'd like to dedicate this video to Madeline. Madeline, you're just a light. I love you so much, and hugs to you and your grandson and your son. You're just amazing. All right, so let's do our review. So we've had quite a few scales to learn through the journey of flats, right? The F major scale with 1 flat, the B flat major scale with 2 flats, the E flat major scale with 3 flats, the A flat major scale with 4 flats, the D flat major scale with 5 flats, and the G flat major scale with 6 flats. So that means we have 1 note left to flat. That will be the F note. And the 4th step of this scale, so if we go back, it was G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat. That was our 4th step, and that's the name of the last scale that we have in the next video. And if you're enjoying this, or if you think, I want to understand more of this, I'm curious about music theory, because this is music theory, I do have a 30-day music theory challenge that is already up. It's already free for anyone to watch, and it goes into more detail about everything that you're doing. So I would call this course that you're doing right now the application course, and the other one is the theory. So both go hand in hand very well together, and I definitely recommend you do that one. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next video for our last one. I'm so excited. Yeah, let me know if you've gotten this far in the comments down below. Ciao!